it's me, RAINBRO, you know, from Wizard Kids channel, except instead of its Wizard Kids channel, it's my own channel. So you can see me do cool stuff. Like I sometimes play with knives. Knives, see, alive. I got skills. And I also, like Minecraft. Oh no! It's a creeper! A creeper! Ah! Die, 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 die! Also, I like a bunch of junk called Kirby! You guessed it! It's my favorite video game series ever! See? Give me all this junk. Woo! Yay! I also play with swords! As you can see with the Minecraft sword. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna do a bunch of silly stuff and stuff, so, yeah. Sword, 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 sword.
Sonic!
I don't know what that was. So, yeah. Peace! I'm RAINBRO!